and these results are unique, are different. I like these 4 goose prompts or these goose styles. Looks nice and cool. There is a real opportunity in the kids segment for print-on-demand market that nobody is talking about. I'm talking here about the kids apparel market in specific. I've done my research on ChatGPT 5 and the numbers are mind-blowing, as it says that the global kids apparel market was valued at approximately $200 billion in 2024 and is projected to expand to around $350 billion by the year 2032. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how I used just 2 simple prompts to generate multiple variations of kids designs across different AI styles using an AI platform called ReadKidz that is specifically built for creating kids content with AI. So let's jump in. But before we start, let's see some sample designs on Etsy of the best-selling kids t-shirts. And if you're thinking to start a new Etsy shop, this is a real opportunity to start around this niche. So we are talking about kids t-shirts with hundreds of sales sitting in the shopping carts of many people right now as we speak. As you can see, these aren't complicated designs from Disney or major brands. These are simple creative concepts that regular creators like us are absolutely crushing with. So just to make the video short, you can do your own research on Etsy, but make sure to see or to find designs that have been recently sold and are in the cart of good number of people. Unlike most AI image generation platforms that are mostly generic, ReadKidz is a platform that is specifically designated to AI content specifically for children designs. So it has many built-in styles that you can use to instantly create kids designs that would sell on Etsy or any other print-on-demand platform. They even have a section for generating children books if you would like to take it further. So to test their styles and platform, I have developed 2 prompts that I use to see the best styles that I can get out of this platform. And I'm going to leave a link in the description if you'd like to use the same prompt. So once you head to ReadKidz and register with your Google account, you will see the main menu on the left side. You can choose between an AI image or AI picture book or template craft. So they even have an image to video generator. And on the right side, you will see all the images that have been generated by previous users. So let's press on the AI image generator and the custom drawing and press on the create new image. And here you will see all the image styles that you have. And as you can see, most of these styles are perfect for kids graphics and kids designs. There are very cool styles and we're going to test many of these styles throughout the video. I'm looking for the watercolor playful style of designs that are similar to the ones that we have seen before on Etsy. So the styles on the platform are really a lot and I tested many of them just to try to come up with the perfect style that I can use for the 3 designs that I'm going to create. So just to make it short, you can also test all these styles using the credits that you will get once you register through the link in the description. They even have this chibi sticker style which would work perfect for digital products or digital stickers if you'd like to sell them separately on Etsy. So let's start by choosing this vintage sketch illustration style. So if you press on the style you like, you will be asked to create a name for the image. So let's just call it design 1 and press on the create button. Now, this is our artboard. We have on the left side the style that we have selected, the prompt, the aspect ratio, and the portrait reference. But we're going just to enter the simple prompt just to test. A duck wearing a cowboy hat and press on the generate. And the platform automatically generates 4 images every time you press on the generate button. And on the top right side, you can see the credits that you have. And again, once you register through the link in the description, you will get lots of credit for free. So these are my 4 images of the duck, of the cowboy duck. The style is great. It can be used for designing kids t-shirts. We have seen something similar at the beginning. So let's go back and press on the create new image. And this time we're going to choose a different style, the vector illustration style. So let's choose the vector illustration style and name our image design 2. And I pasted my goose prompt. This is my first full prompt, and the platform takes around between 1-2 minutes to generate the 4 images. And I got four nice, colorful, playful style of a goose. These are 4 great styles, and you can tweak your prompt a little to add on a plain background as part of the design if you would like to remove the background. And again, once you press on the download button, you can download the image directly to your desktop. Now let's go back and create a new image and choose a new style. So for my third design, I'm going to choose this kindergarten style. I like the bold curvy lines of this style. So I'm going to call my image design 3. And again, I'm using this time the excavator prompt. I'm using some words like playful, authentic, watercolor-like texture, and I got nice designs, but this is not what I'm really looking for. For testing this prompt, I was using some text, but the text did not turn out to be perfect. So if you press on the drawing style itself, you will have a shortcut to access all the drawing styles without the need to create a new image. So I'm using this fresh watercolor illustration this time and press on the confirm and then the generate button. And within the same artboard, the platform is going to generate 4 additional images of the same prompt. So this time it's within the same design 3 workflow. And these are nice, cool watercolor images of the excavator using the prompt, my second prompt. So let's download some of these designs. And as you can see, all of these designs can definitely fit for children wear or kids t-shirts. But let's again continue testing the styles. For this time, I'm going to choose the nostalgic adventure style with the same excavator prompt and press on the generate button. This time I keep the aspect ratio as is, 1:1. You can always change the aspect ratio to 3:4 to fit more of a t-shirt design area. And these results are also great with this style. I like the colors, the drawing style, and the funny eyes that were added to the excavator without even mentioning it. It adds it or creates more of a playful item. So the 4 images are really good. So let's keep testing. So this time let's choose the super cute cartoon style and see what we're going to get. Again, we're still in the same window of design 3, same aspect ratio, and press on the generate button. And again, between 1 and 2 minutes, we get our 4 designs. And this design looks perfect for me. I like the way that it looks like sketch drawing, colorful pencil drawing. So this is one of the designs that I will definitely use. So let's download this one. Now let's go back to the main menu and press on the custom drawing to create a new image. This time I'm going to test my second prompt, my goose prompt. So let's choose one of the different styles on the platform, this Zorama style, and I'm going to name it design 4 and press on the create. And I'm using my goose prompt and press on the generate button. I like this style, looks different than the others, more of cartoonish watercolor mix style, and these results are unique, are different. I like these 4 goose prompts or these goose styles, looks nice and cool. I think removing the background of these styles and adding them to our artboard would create a great design. So let's change the style this time to a drawing style, the sketchy doodle style, and using the same prompt, let's press on the generate button and see what we are going to get. So again, these are nice, silly goose images. This sketchy doodle style looks totally different and also can be used with a nice doodle font to create some cool designs. So the platform really excels in providing you with many kids styles, AI-generated styles that you can use for print on demand if you're targeting this niche. So let's try one more style, the lively comic style. And these are my results with the lively comic style. Again, with the same goose prompt. Also more of a vector a style with bold lines. I also like this style, can be also used with kids t-shirts, would create definitely great great designs out of it. So let's try this fresh watercolor illustration, but this time I'm going to add a colorful splash background to the prompt. And we get nice colorful styles with this flash effect on the background. These styles, these 4 images look great, can even be used to create bundles and sell them on Creative Fabrica or Etsy. And this is the gentle retro animation style, and these are my results using the Nostalgia Cup Adventure style with the splash effect at the background. Looks also nice. So this Nostalgia Cup Adventure style creates very lively, colorful style that is funny and can be definitely used for t-shirts. So this time I'm going to change part of the prompt to make our background plain. So I just added plain white background and press on the generate button just to make it easier to separate the background than the image. And again, the results are great with simple clean backgrounds that can be easily separated using an external tool if you would like to start creating or working with these styles. Now let's go back to our main dashboard on ReadKidz.com, and we're going to scroll down until we find the tools section. We're going to use the canvas to create designs on the platform itself. So just press on the canvas button and press on create new canvas. Choose a title for your design and the canvas size. So I'm just going to leave the canvas size as is and press on create. And this will take us to a new section or a new area where we can upload our downloaded designs to start creating the designs. So I used an external free platform to remove the background of this cool goose image that was created on ReadKidz. So just use any free or paid background remover, and you can also upscale it before uploading it to the ReadKidz Canvas, or simply upscale the final design. So use the text section to add some text. The platform has many text style generated or integrated, and as we have seen, most of the kids designs are not complicated, just a nice cool image with some funny playful fonts and colors, and you would have a nice design that you can sell on Etsy. So the canvas tools are very simple. Just select the text and you will see the upper menu that shows all the tools or the functions related to the text. You can change the font, the color from above. So I'm going to copy the word just and paste it to create another text using the same font, and I'm going to add text that says just a boy who loves fun. This font is a playful, nice font that would match the idea, and you can stretch the text from the sides to make it bigger or smaller, like so. Just a boy who loves fun, and you can make the text bigger just by stretching the text box, like so. And you can even change the text color from the upper menu. I'm going to pick color from the same image, and you can do that using the color picker. You can also add some images or stickers that are built in on the platform using the image tab on the right side, but I think my design is completed. You can also change the font using the upper menu. For this part of the text, I'm going to use more of a modern font, just a boy who loves fun. Going to try this font, and I'm going to add a new artboard and create another design. So I'm going to use the same text boxes that I have created for the first design and change just the word fun with something else. So just a boy who loves dirt to match my image for the second design. Excavator image, just going to upload it to the canvas. Again, you can remove the background before uploading it to be able to use it without a problem. Just keep playing with the text and the style of the text or the font until you are satisfied with your design. Once you're done, you can download your designs using the download button. The downloaded designs will have a plain white background, so you will just need to use an external tool to remove the background and upscale the downloaded image. And once you've done that, add your design to a mockup. Make sure to use something similar to the mockups on Etsy that has proven to generate sales. And this is how you can simply create unlimited designs for merch, for kids merch. So that was a quick tutorial on how you can use ReadKidz, an AI dedicated platform that targets kids designs to create best-selling designs for kids that you can sell on your Etsy store or any other print-on-demand store. You can test and try the ReadKidz.com platform for free using the image in the description, which will provide you with an extra credits that you can use to generate designs. So if you enjoyed the video, please hit the like button and subscribe for future tutorials. Thanks for watching.